This summer, something odd happened in my garden. A new squash plant grew. It looked like the others at first. Big green leaves soaked up the sun. Then it grew a squash. This squash was not like the others. This squash was huge, much bigger than the others. And its shape, very strange. Not round like a pumpkin, not long like a zucchini. It had bumps and curves like a lumpy pillow. What was going on? Why was this squash so different? Maybe the seeds got mixed up. Maybe it's a new kind of squash. Or maybe, just maybe, nature decided to try something new. We think nature has rules. Plants grow a certain way. Animals act a certain way. But sometimes nature breaks its own rules. This squash is a surprise. It reminds us that nature is full of wonder.